Today I got this breakdown, which is a 2018 Toyota Estima. Customer call up, no start. What happened was he jump started, start normal. Car been parked for about 2 months. Customer got inside, made a cup of coffee, come back out, try to restart again, car wouldn't start. So I'll show you what it is. So it's keyless entry model. So you press start. Screen. Ignition on, and that's what happened. Initially, I thought it was starter motor. So what I done, I relay with one of my gadget, which is a relay bypass. They're very awesome. It's this type here. You plug it in, ignition on, and you'll be able to click, test out your starter motor, see if the start circuit's working or not. I'll show you what to do. So what you do is you take out the starter. This is starter relay, and you put in one of these. Put it in, it's on off position, and then just come inside, turn ignition on, try start it. Nothing will happen because you pulled a normal relay out. Now you have button activation relay. What you can do is if you want to test your starting circuits, very easy on this one because we replaced with that one already. You just fire it up, and you can crank as fast as you want. So now we know that the starting circuits is good. We can just move on to the next circuits, which is, because I know the ignition circuits is good. Ignition is working because the dash light is on. Next thing I'll move into is EFI main. We can do exactly the same thing with the EFI main. We can just chuck that in, switch it on. Normally I can use my power probe, but because it's right in there, I can't get my power probe in. So I'm going to do exactly the same. Use one of these. And with the EFI is that if you take it out, the car will switch itself off. Well, now the car doesn't start. So what we'll do, slowly, I know there is a popular tool for this. Again, with these things we can test them. There is a tool to test that. You can use multimeter if you want. So with this one, same thing, we leave it on off position. So one thing is with the EFI is that if EFI main's not working, it will also stop you from starting because it requires signal from EFI main to feed into the starter relay. So what we do, we can turn EFI on. And we'll see. Also, I have scanned this car before, no code, and what does it mean is that if the car's not running or the EFI is not responding, so you're not going to get any code. So let's see how we go. Now we got the car start. That's pretty much mean this little guy here is faulty. To get customer going, what I'm going to do, swap it over with fog light relay, because this thing got fog light. So fog light relay use the same type, and nice and sunny. You're not going to use fog light anytime soon, so we swap over with that one. Relay go bad, this is what happened. We'll kill the car. So I can reach in and switch off and just kill the car. That's showing that this little thing is not working. It's probably got a broken circuit inside, broken wire. Hey, we'll put the fog light one in and we'll see how we go. I have taken out my override relay and put in fog light. We'll replace it with fog light relay, which is not going to use. And I'll put that one in the fog light. Well, the car should start now. If the relay is the problem, have a look. It's in the car. Let's see. car start. Yep, that's it. That's how I diagnose no start on a Toyota Estima. This is a Jap import one, 2018. I just have to replace that relay.